Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for you today. So this is for my Facebook group, and I made a pocket letter mostly with die cuts and yeah, cardstock. So this is my Winnie the Pooh pocket letter. See, I used my Piglet sticker and Winnie the Pooh die cuts. Isn't that neat? I think it turned out pretty well. The hardest part was probably cutting the tree by hand, drawing it by hand and then cutting it out. And then I have this really cool leaf die cut. So I made all the leaves, and then I made the flowers, and then I used my sparkly little gems in my glue gun. I had to glue gun it down. I white glued it to the plastic, and it just literally peeled off. I'm like, no. So I had to re-glue it. Luckily the flowers are attached. The leaves are attached to the flowers, so that kind of helped. I'm like, oh no. But yeah, so this is made with die cuts. I made the tree, the sun, and my little lawn here by hand. So yeah, I got the blue in the back, like skies. I did order a cloud die cut, but it hasn't got here yet. So I'm like, oh, bugger. But yeah, so this is the front, and I'll show you the back. So the back, I got these princessy foam stickers. So there is castles, hearts, magic wands. Magic wands, and Winnie the Pooh die cuts. And then these ones got carriages, tiaras, unicorns, and princesses. So these are the same set, and they came from Dollarama. Winnie the Pooh came from Amazon. It came in a package of I'm trying to remember how many was in there. 66 pieces. Some are shiny, some are non-shiny, they're pretty cool. So there's a lot bigger ones. They just don't fit in the pocket. Then I got these reindeer stickers from AliExpress. These butterflies come in pink, blue, and dark blue. I have not seen another color, and they're from Dollarama. These little birdies are from AliExpress, same seller as the reindeers. It's all in my AliExpress haul. Can't remember which one, but it's in there. Also, I included a tea. These wooden flower that comes from Dollarama. It came in a big set because there's a different flower there with another tea. These are paper clips of feet and people, so they go together. They were from Dollarama. I literally cleaned out the whole row. I had to take the whole row off to get these two because the first one was the birds, and I've already had the birds. So yeah, I took the whole row off, and yes, I put them back. It's not like I took them all off and then left the pile. Nope. If I do it, I put them back. I didn't do that for the butterflies because the dark blues were in the back, and I had to take the whole line of them off to get it. But I did put them back because it kind of annoys me when people don't put them back and just leave them piled all over. I like how it turned out. Even though I had to re-glue it a second time, I'm going to remember, if you're putting paper on the front of a pocket letter, make sure you use a glue gun. So I ended up getting a new glue gun. I got a low temperature one. So I still burn my fingers on it, but it seems to work a lot better. So low temp glue gun is what you need. High temp one is more for wood working, not paper working or working with foam, because it kind of melts it. Because I had some little glitter stars, and they melted. I melted a bunch of them with the glue gun. I'm like, uh-oh. So anyways, yeah. So that's my Winnie the Pooh pocket letter. Later.